Good morning, children. Today I am going to start a new lesson, that is Dokuru, a village on plateau region. Dokuru, a village on plateau region. A village on Deccan plateau. Okay. In the previous class, we have discussed about the Dokuru village, which is lying in the plains, which is lying in Krishna Delta. Okay, but our state government has removed the lesson Dokuru from our social studies subject, and it was rescheduled as the project work. That's why I am starting a new lesson in this class, that is Dokuru, a village that is lying in Deccan plateau. Okay. In the previous classes, we have discussed about the different types of landforms. Okay. Among the different types of landforms, we have discussed about the plateaus. Okay, there are three types of landforms. Those are plains, plateaus, and mountains. Those are the three types of landforms. Among these three, we have discussed about the plateau region. Okay, what are the different types of? What are the plateaus that are lying in India? In the third lesson, landforms, we have discussed about plateaus. Plateaus are the highlands. Plateaus are the highlands which are having very high land on highlands. Very high amount of land on highlands. Suppose if you see the mountains are having less plain area on the peaks, but the plateaus are having high. The plateaus are having high plain area on their That's why this is the main difference between mountains and plateaus. What is the main difference between plateau and mountains? Mountains are having very less plain area with having high peaks, but the plateaus are having very high plain area, very heavy plain area on their mountains or hills. Okay, that is the major difference between mountains and plateaus. Okay, now in this class I am going to explain about what are the different types, what are the plateaus that are located in India. Okay, now we will discuss about the different names of plateaus that are located in India. Okay, now coming to Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau, Deccan Plateau, these are the famous plateaus that are located in India. Okay, between these two, the Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau. Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. Largest plateau in India. Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India, and the Dokuru village is lying on the Deccan Plateau. Okay, before entering into the lesson Dokuru, we have to discuss about the structure of Deccan Plateau and where it is lying and how it was how it is having the shape. Okay. Now coming to Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India, and the Telangana Plateau is the part of Deccan Plateau. Telangana Plateau is the one of the part of the Telangana Plateau, Deccan Plateau, and Deccan Plateau is located in the south of India. Okay, now let us see the situation of the location of Deccan Plateau. Okay, now if you see, if it is the southern part of India, okay, this is the entire southern part of India. Okay, the Deccan Plateau is located like this. Is located like this. This is the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau. Okay, this is the Deccan Plateau is in the shape of triangle. Is the shape of triangle, and in the westwards of India, okay, it is spreaded from west side of India to east side of India. Okay, it was having very high peaks, or it is having very highlands at the west side of India. West side of India. Okay, those are called as Western Ghats. Western Ghats. And it is slopes like this. Okay, here it is having very high elevation. It is having very high elevation, and when we move from the west to the east, it is like this. It is just slopes towards east. Okay, this Deccan Plateau is having Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats at east side of India. Eastern Ghats. Okay. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats are the parts of the Deccan Plateau which are lying at the west side of India and the eastern side of India respectively. Okay. These are the mountains, or these are the flat regions which are located in this Deccan Plateau. Okay, Deccan Plateau is having the highest ranges or the highest elevation parts in this ranges, and it is having very low elevation ranges or low elevation mountains in the Eastern Ghats. Okay, understand? Okay, when we are moving from west to the east, it slopes towards east. It slopes towards east. That's why, if you observe the ocean of Godavari is the river. Godavari is the river that is originated in the state of Maharashtra in Nasik. That that is originated here in this area. Okay, due to the slope of this Deccan Plateau, the river Godavari and Krishna, the rivers Godavari and Krishna, these are both are originated in the state of Maharashtra, and it flows towards the east side of India. Why these are flows towards the east side of India? Because of the Deccan Plateau slopes towards the east. That's why the rivers that are originated in the Western Ghats are flowing towards the Eastern Ghats, and they finally reaches to the ocean or sea that is called Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is the sea that is located in the east side of India. Okay, from here onwards, the rivers that are floating, that are close, it is river Godavari, and it is Krishna. Okay, these are the rivers that are finally enters into the sea, Bay of Bengal. Why the rivers Godavari and Krishna both are flowing towards east? Because the slope of the Deccan Plateau is from west to east. It is having very high slope. It is having very high slopes at the side of west, and it is slowly decreases. It is having the low elevations when we come from the west side of Deccan Plateau, the east side of Deccan Plateau. That's why the rivers that are originated in the state of Maharashtra, those are flows towards the east side of India. Okay, that is the reason the rivers that are flows from Western Ghats to Eastern Ghats. Okay, now Telangana Plateau is also located in this Deccan Plateau. Okay. Now coming to our lesson. In this lesson, we are going to explain about Dokuru, a village on Deccan Plateau. Dokuru. Okay. About Dokuru, in this lesson, in this class, we are going to explain about what are the different types of soils that are located in the village Dokuru. And what is about the rainfall and soils, rainfall and temperature in the Dokuru village, and what are the different types of professions that are occupied by the people in the Dokuru village, what are the different types of settlements, it means what are different types of houses which are constructed in the village. Okay, these are the topics which we can discuss in this lesson. Okay, now coming to Dokuru. Dokuru is a village that is located, which is just 25 kilometers far away from the Mahbubnagar. Okay. Dokuru is a village that is located just 25 kilometers far away from the Mahbubnagar town. Okay, Dokuru is the word that comes from Dakur. Dokuru is the word that comes from Dakur. What is meant by the word Dakur? Dakur means dacoit. In the ancient days, dacoit means the people who are easily hide among the heavy bushes. The people who are hide easily among the heavy bushes, those are called dacoits. Okay. Finally, Dokuru means dacoit. Dacoit, the word means the people who are hide easily among the heavy bushes, that is called a dacoit. That's why, okay, from these people, this village got the name Dokuru. Okay. In the ancient times, it was called as Dokuru. Now it was called as Dokuru. Okay. Now about the temperature and rainfall. About the situation of temperature and rainfall in this Dokuru village. Okay. Temperature. Now coming to temperature. What about the temperature? In this Dokuru village, it is about 40 degrees of Celsius of temperature is recorded during the months of summer. During the months of summer, in summer, the temperature is about 40 degrees. 40 degrees would be recorded during the months of summer. Okay. During the months of winter, the temperature will be varies between 20 degrees to 30 degrees. 20 degrees of Celsius to 30 degrees of Celsius. Okay, this is the temperature variation in summer and winter in the Dokuru village. Okay, now coming to rainfall. It is getting very scanty rainfall, very scanty and irregular rainfall. It is getting very scanty. Scanty means very low amount of rainfall during the rainy season also it is getting very low amount of rainfall, and it is getting also in a irregular manner. Okay, Dokuru village, Dokuru rainfall is very scanty. Scanty means very low amount of rainfall during the rainy season, and it can get the rains in between the months, in the months of June to October. June to October. June to October. Okay, during the rainy season also, it is getting very scanty rainfall, and in a scanty rainfall and irregular rainfall. Irregular rainfall. Okay, due to the irregular rainfall in this region, it can affect the crops that are growing in this region. Okay, this is about Dokuru village in this class. In the next class, we will discuss about the different types of crops that are grown in Dokuru village, and what are the different types of soils that are present in Dokuru village. Okay, thank you children.